right now I'm just pushing up some mulch in a 1050K, piling it out so it's out of the way, trying not to get a stick through my radiator. Yeah, this dozer can push so much, it's awesome. This is all an old farmhouse that was here. They farmed trees and stuff, and we're just cleaning out what was left over for new developments. This is all going to become houses. Houses for people. Just piling all the mulch so it'll be nice and easy. Pull it out, get it out of the side of my strip limit. Now, it takes quite a bit of mulch to slow this 1050 down. Pushing in 2.5. It's just pure dust over here though. Nice good old dust. So the reason we pile it up like this is so it's easier for the excavator to load out and get rid of, and then they'll either be sold off to people in the area for as mulch or hauled off elsewhere to be used for other things. This is a new style. I thought I'd do a little bit of talking in this one. If you guys kind of prefer this when I'm